just two contrasting images that somehow this artist's creativity allowed him to juxtapose these two disparate objects in a cohesive kind of way.
In the field of comedy, it's so multifaceted, and as a comedian,
This sort of isolates us from sound in two different perspectives. One, we are isolated in terms of the frequencies, the physics of frequencies. And two, we are isolated in terms of how we interpret this sound. Because when this sound, this collision of air molecules, which travels or propagates as mechanical waves, collides with your ear.
Any sound that is created from a force, an already established fundamental force. Humor is an emotional attribute. And humor on a fundamental level is the ability to evoke laughter. So it's more of an emotional attribute. So someone can evoke laughter or be funny or have an infatuation for humor without being interested in some comedian who is some prominent.